Hey, sometimes life seems to be more complicated than it should be. So many different coffees, so many different filters and brewers and pour-over carafes. Well, we thought we should change this a little bit, and we have developed our pour-over carafe with this fantastic universal funnel that takes up any shape of coffee filters, be it the number 2 with a flat bottom, the standard, the number 4, which is for more than 3 cups to 6 cups, or be it a V-shaped filter as you can find it from many brands. Sometimes, if you have it in the shop, on the shelf, which mostly is not the case because they don't have such a variety of filters. But then you have your pour-over carafe, and maybe your pour-over carafe doesn't match all of these filters, but only one. And so with this funnel, no issue, take any of those filters and you will have a lot of fun brewing your cup of coffee. Now, let's take a number 2. The number 2 with a sealed flat bottom. We just fold it away. That's a standard procedure with any of these filters. You should know that, please. And then we insert it in the funnel, okay? Then I already prepared for 3 cups of coffee, 30 grams of freshly ground coffee. I love it. And now I do what we call the bloom, the pre-infusion of the ground. So I just wet the ground, yeah, and now it looks a little bit like a volcano from inside maybe, creating some bubbles, and I see it's coming through, it's dripping through. I leave it there. I continue, after about 20 seconds, I continue the pouring. Well, of course you can use the Finum number 2 and you can use the Finum number 4, but it's not necessary. We have it, as we are manufacturers of filters, we have a variety of filters for different appliances, mostly around tea and coffee, of course. And one thing I always have in mind when brewing my coffee, I don't want to surpass the 4 minutes. So 4 minutes are over, we're just taking away the funnel, leave it in a glass or anywhere in the sink, and then we enjoy a wonderful cup of coffee, as I will show you. See how nicely it flows. And then delicious. So please use medium ground coffee when you do your pour-over coffee with a carafe. No matter what filter you're using, use the Bloom & Flow with its universal funnel.